Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I gotta fix my Rustler. I got a pop tire and a spur gear that I stripped out a little while ago, and so I'll fix that up and then we can take it out for a little drive. Alright, so you can see there, it's got a big crack in it. And I also stripped out the spur gear. So, I got a new spur gear and some new tires. Alright. New tires. New spur gear. You know what? I think this thing is plastic. Is this supposed to be plastic? Actually, I think that one in there is also plastic, so this one should be just as fine. I actually don't even know how to get that thing out of there. So I did some research, and you're supposed to take out that screw and that screw, which I already did, and then on the bottom for the chassis, that screw and that screw. Okay, so it turns out that I took out the wrong screws. It's not those ones, it's those ones. That one and that one. I should have known that. So then you're gonna just take out this little screw here in the center drive shaft and store that somewhere safe because that's pretty small. Right. And now I think the rear end will come off. Alright, so now dealing with the other half, that's right there. Alright, and there's our little clutch and spur gear. Alright, so to get this off, that pin I gotta pop out there so I can slide it off the end. And so I'm thinking I gotta unscrew or screw that back all the way, and then I can pull the spur gear back and then pop out that pin and slide it off like so. Alright, so as you can see, I screwed that all the way back, so now I can just pop out that pin. Alright, so now I got the pin, or the little pin out, and I think oh, there we go. Boom. Pin gear. But there's that little plate on the back. Just unscrew those. Now, I don't know about you, but to do all of this just to get a little spur gear out seems a little ridiculous to me. But, you gotta do it. Also, why did they make it plastic? Alright, now I gotta put it all back together with a new spur gear. Alright, and now the pin is in there, and I just need to tighten that up. Alright, and that's all tightened up, and it's as solid as can be. Take your little clutch here, slide it in and connect to the center shaft. And now I just gotta put in this tiny little thing, this tiny little screw in there to keep the shaft on, and then we'll put the whole rear end back on. All right, and now that's on there and good. And so now it's time to put the rear end back on. All right, anyway, put that on there, screw everything back on, we'll be ready to go. All right, and we're all done. He's perfectly ready. It's all ready to take out for a little drive. All right, and go. New gear working great. Ooh. So are the tires. Uh-oh. Watch this. I give it full throttle here. Does not have the acceleration that you need. And I think my clutch is just a little loose. Yeah, clutch is loose because of that. Screw that back in and then we can have some real fun with this. Alright, so I just screwed that in a little tighter and hopefully it should have a lot better acceleration now. It's already starting to get dark. The mean machine. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time at the pit stop.